What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell before we dive into the top 5 best home theater systems in 2022. Links to all of the products in this video can be found in the description down below. When it comes to hitting the top of the leaderboards, finding home theater systems is one of the most important pieces of the puzzle. There are a ton of great theater systems out there on the market, but today we're going to be breaking down the top 5 absolute best. Big things come in small packages, and that is proven true by the number 5 on our list, the Klipsch Reference Theater Pack 5.1. One of theater and sound enthusiasts' biggest dilemmas in getting the best quality speakers on the market is that they take so much space. What if your theater room isn't big enough to accommodate all the best speakers? And if it does, what if it makes you barely comfortable to move? We often equate getting the best sound and the best surround sound effects with a room full of speakers, but believe me, you can get the same quality with a minimal footprint and more space. How small are they? Each satellite is only 7.75 inches high, 4.5 inches wide, and 5.5 inches deep. Grab that ruler beside you and see how amazingly packed and compact it is. Klipsch sound has been packed in this set of 1 center channel speaker and 4 satellite speakers. Sure, big speakers could mean bigger and fuller sounds, but kid you not, these mini mega satellites have excellent mounting flexibility as they come with a keyhole mount and threaded insert, while the center channel comes with dual keyholes and threaded inserts. With Klipsch Reference Theater Pack, you don't have to sacrifice your floor dancing space to get the best quality sound from a home theater speaker that you deserve. With its wireless subwoofer connectivity and its 3.5-inch spun copper IMG woofers and linear travel suspension, horn-loaded 0.75-inch tweeters, you can now enjoy CD quality sound anywhere in your room. How? They help minimize the distortion of your sound so you can enjoy a more enhanced sound quality. The Klipsch Reference Theater Pack includes 4 satellite loudspeakers, a center channel loudspeaker, a wireless powered subwoofer, wireless transmitter, a 6.5-foot AC power cord, an AC power adapter, and necessary manuals such as owner's manual, safety instructions, and warranty information. The Klipsch system is considered one of the best compact home theater speakers on the market right now. And if you are someone who values compact space with decent sound quality, then this one's for you. Who says you need to go to your local theaters to get the best surround sound experience for your favorite movies? Do not go to your theaters, let the theater come to you. This 5.1 channel home theater system is another great quality and value speaker from Polk Audio. Consisting of subwoofers, bookshelf, and center channel type speakers, this set will give you a well-balanced, room-filling sound for the best theater experience. I understand that there's nothing worse than watching your favorite Marvel movie in the comfort of your own home, but getting scratching, ear-sore sounds or not being able to clearly hear any sound at all. With Polk Audio's home theater system, you'll get that extra bass and punch and its 10-inch subwoofer that will surely bring the perfect audio quality in your small to mid-size room or entertainment center. Polk Audio boasts of their proprietary dynamic balance technology that brings 3-dimensional surround sound to your home theaters. What's also great about this system? You don't have to get rid of your current speakers for this one. You can use them as is or as an upgrade to your current setup. No need to worry because Polk Audio made sure that this system is compatible with most home theater AV receivers too. With 2 floor-standing tower speakers, 1 center channel speaker, 1 bookshelf speaker, you can create a full-fledged home theater setup perfect for every home. Do you hate wires? Because I do. Having so much equipment at home means 1 or 100 more wires to deal with, and I know it's not just me. Hiding wires is a pain in the head. This is why if there is any opportunity to go wireless or use wireless connectivity, you need to grab that chance. These features, however, always come at quite a cost. If you have a limited budget but are looking for a quality home theater system for your small to mid-size rooms, why not try Onkyo HT S3900? Onkyo HT S3900 is a home theater system that packs quite the punch with its compact design, Dolby True HD and DTS HD master audio, built-in decoders, 4K TV support, all for less than $500. What's more, this home theater system supports Bluetooth wireless connectivity. You can now easily mirror whatever music you're playing and another Bluetooth-enabled device to these speakers and enjoy a studio resolution sound. In terms of connectivity, it offers 4 HDMI inputs and 1 HDMI output, 2 analog RCA video inputs, and 1 RCA audio input for all your audio and video connectivity needs. Do you have a USB full of your favorite songs? Plug it in and enjoy them, as it supports USB connectivity and MP3, WMA, and AAC formats. This design consists of 5 satellite speakers and 1 subwoofer and is perfect for users with limited space to spare. Not only are they compact, but they are surprisingly lightweight too, with its satellite speakers only at 1.3 pounds and its center speaker at 1.5 pounds. While this home theater set isn't the most ideal for large rooms, its mid-power range is perfect for your small and medium-sized rooms. Why just go wireless when you can go smart? The evolution of technology and the digital age has brought so much improvement and ease in the way we do things. From unlocking our car doors, watching TV, turning lights on and off with a hand movement, as humans become smart, so does technology. Sonos' 5.1 channel home theater system is one of the best a smart home theater system has to offer. Its sleek, all-black premium design is an excellent aesthetic fit for your modern living room. Not only is the design premium, the way it works is premium too. Its high-tech features smashes all its smart home theater speakers competition on the market. These smart Sonos speakers instantly upgrade your house with a high-tech audio solution. This home system comes with an app that lets you control the entire sound system. Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa are built in this system. Who says you can only check news, set alarms, and ask questions on your phone? These speakers can do it too through voice control and Wi-Fi connectivity. Sonos is very well known in the market for their top-tier audio quality that is unique to their brand. But what makes this home theater system so special is its unique features. Enjoying a movie late at night but don't want to disturb your roommates with the loud sound effects? Set your speakers to night mode. Its capacitive touch controls allow for a seamless and easy control of your audio enjoyment. Do you want to enjoy Sonos' audio quality while you are away from the main system? Its 2-play, 1 wireless speakers are so portable, you can bring it to your veranda or your shower and enjoy your favorite music the Sonos style. On top of our list for the best home theater speakers you can buy in 2022 is, you guessed it right, from Bose. Bose's fame as one of the best speaker and audio-related tech manufacturers spanning countries and ages, it comes to no surprise that they too made the top of our list. Do away with budgets, this monster costs around $4,000. If you're looking for the best home theater speakers on the market, look no further than Bose Lifestyle 650. True to its name, this home theater setup will absolutely elevate your home sound experience to a different level. With its 5-speaker theater system consisting of 1 console, 4 Omni-Dual side speakers, 1 Omni-Dual center speaker, 1 Acoustimass wireless bass module, this packed home theater system is everything you need for the optimum sound experience and the comfort of your home. Not only does it look stunning with its premium glass and aluminum finish, its wireless rear sound speakers are so compact and easy to place, so you get the best placement for maximum surround sound performance. Tired of so many wired connectivity settings? Lifestyle 650's Sound Touch technology allows you to use your Wi-Fi network to play anything you want, anywhere you want in your home. The system's console has quite literally everything you need, from Bluetooth to Wi-Fi connectivity to 4K video and HDMI compatibility. With a universal remote, everything moves fast and easy with this home theater system. Busy and have no hands to spare? Fret not, because this system takes pride in its hands-free voice access using any Alexa-enabled device, even when you're in your garden. No further discussion is needed for the quality of sound Bose's speakers offer. The Omni-Dual speakers, although light and compact, pack and deliver a true 360-degree sound. Its wireless bass module also utilizes a quiet port technology for that deep, clean bass you've been wanting for your favorite movies and music. No, you don't need gigantic sound equipment for that thunderous bass you've been craving for. Get your phone, connect to your speakers, click play, and let Bose do the rest. As Bose said, less effort, more music. The Bose Lifestyle 650 will give you simple, fast, and easy control over your music while basking in Bose's premium sound and modern look. Okay guys, that is it for our top 5 list of the best home theater systems in 2022. You can find links to all of the products in this video in the description below. Check out our other videos for more recommendations on new tech devices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our fresh content.